Step into the Jeep 2020 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, black 3-piece hardtop included, Freedom Panel Storage Bag, rear window defroster, rear window wiper washer, no soft top, Sirius satellite radio, heritage tan black cloth low back bucket seats, Mopper all-weather floor mats, smoker's group included, cigar lighter removable ashtray, Mopper solid bikini top, Mopper stainless door swivel guards and anti-spin differential rear axle included, Bridgestone brand tires 245/75 R17 all-terrain. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.